Okay, so this is how to enable resizing of Android apps on ChromeOS. So by that I mean, I've got the Google Photo app and I can resize this window to whatever size I want. The Jeremy Corbyn pictures are down to some work we were doing on the election the other week. So to enable this, you need to go into your settings and you want to select Play Store, which is what I've already got selected here. Click on there. You need to look down here. You need to be on Android 7.1. So not all devices will be on that yet. The R11 doesn't have that on the beta channel yet. This is the R11, R13 rather. So you go on to About Device, click on Build Number a number of times, and then you can enable Developer Mode. And then under Developer Options, you've got a lot of things that you can change, but right down at the bottom, you've got Allow Free Window Resizing by dragging the border. That's the one that you want to enable to be able to do this. You can also change the default orientation that apps by default open with. So I've set mine to portrait, which is better on a laptop than a landscape, rather better than the portrait default. So that's it. So you can then resize apps. Well, you can resize some apps. So not all apps will respect this. So all the Google stuff will do this, and a lot of other things will. But you do need to be aware that not all apps will. So Earth Now, which looks at data that NASA collects in real time, this one will just open portrait and won't do anything else. There are apps which don't support resizing. So Google Earth, for example, that's the default I've got set. So I've got landscape as the default, so that's the size it will run. But you can't resize this window. So there's no option to resize it, but you can go full screen, of course, and then it will tell you that it needs to restart. And you'll find that there are some apps that need to restart to be put into full screen mode, like that. Anyways, that's how you do it. It's pretty simple to do and only takes a few seconds, and as far as I can see, works pretty flawlessly with the apps that it supports.